In this video, I'm going to show you how to track developers on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. So to actually track developers, you want to go ahead and go to Pulse over here, click on Display, and then scroll down under Layout, and then down here it says Tracked Dev. Click on that and then click back on your screen, and then of course whenever a track developer pops up, let me just refresh this to see if anything happens. There we go. Whenever a developer pops up, you'll be able to basically see their name over here. So currently, I'm not seeing any. It should be colored like in yellow, and currently, as you can see, there's none. But you can still go ahead and hover over this where you can see the time next to the developer. And then when you hover over that time, you can go ahead and basically track them. Here is going to be their basically dev address, etc. Okay, so that's pretty much how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.